High pull-ups. For this one, you need a high bar, which you can fully hang from, straight, without bending your knees. And then you need something to step from, so a box, a bench, a chair, whatever. This exercise is about explosivity, so being as explosive as possible in this exercise is number one thing that you need to think of. You're not pulling slowly, you need to explode from the bottom and up, because high pull-ups and muscle-ups almost generate the same type of power. But for this one, you don't need, for the high pull-ups, you don't need to think about the transition. We're just thinking to pull as high as possible to almost do a non-dip muscle-up, so to say. When you pull, the thing you want to think of in the start is knuckles should always be pointing upwards, so you have a semi-false grip. That is important. Use chalk, because that will be necessary. You don't want to slip in this exercise. So even when you swing forward, your grip maintains the same. So if I swing forward here, the grip will always be the same. I will just squeeze harder, and then when I come back and pulling, I use that force. Because if you lose your grip here, it will be very hard to pull. You need to be extraordinarily strong to pull in this grip. And most of us are not. So take a box that is a little bit further away from the bar, so you can get a small swing. So I would actually push this back a little bit, like this. You don't want to have a great swing, just a small one, enough for you to be able to pull on your way back. So I'm going to demonstrate how this looks first. So I grab it, I get a small swing, I pull as high as possible, and then down. The thinking process around this exercise is you swing forward, and when you are on your way back, that's when you pull with as much force as possible. You don't pull when your body and momentum is moving forward. You pull when you are just about to switch. So you go forward, and when you're about to switch, poof, that's when you pull. The goal here is not to pull too much away from the bar, but to pull as high as possible. And when you pull, you bring your elbows close to your body. You don't want your elbows to be pointing out like this type of pull-up, but you're actually pulling here, so close to your body, because if you have it further away, it will be very hard to generate the power towards your back to be able to pull high. Okay, so I'm going to demonstrate 2 reps in a row so you can see. I grab it. I usually have a little bit smaller width because it's much more comfortable to pull high. And when I pull as high as possible. I try to aim to the hip. So I pull to the hip and then down. Okay, let's demonstrate 2 reps. As you can see, I pull as high as possible with as much force as possible, and then down again. So, recap: grip, get chalk, get a small swing. When you are on your way back, you pull as high as possible, and you have your elbows close to your body so they are not pointing outwards, and try to aim higher than your chest. In the beginning, if you're just starting out, it will be very hard to do. But aim as high as possible, boom, and then down.